Good morning, class. I think this is the sixth class of index number. It is a comparatively to the previous two chapters, it is a bigger chapter, as I will solve slowly, as someone has already informed me, sir, go slowly, then we can understand. So basically, I will go slowly today, and whatever the homework I have given you, I will solve first, then I will move on to the today's sums. Okay. So the homework which I have given you is basically calculate Laspeyres and Passage index. Base year price has been given as P0 Q0, and current year's price has been given as P1 Q1, the previous day. So ABC are the commodity, 3 are the base year price quantity, and base current year is P1 is given. So I will use P1 as current year price and P0 as base year price in my formula in spite of Pn. Okay, so it's P1 is given, so P1. Okay. So at first I have to go through it. Okay. So you have to calculate Laspeyres and Passage. Calculation of Laspeyres and Passage, right? PAAS Passage index number. For that you need to do this chart. You know that commodity has been given, base year is P0 Q0, current year is P1 Q1, and the formulas which are required. In respect of Pn, I am putting 1. Means P1 Q1, P0 Q0, P0 Q1, and also P1 Q0, right? Okay, so A, B, C. Base year price is 80 paisa or 0.85 and 1.30. Quantity is given 10, 8 and 5. Current year price is given 0.70, 0.90 and 0.80. Quantity is given 11, 9, 5.5. Okay. So P1 Q1 means these two. P1 Q1 is 0.7 into 11. It is coming 7.7. 0.9 into 9. It is coming 8.1. Obviously. 0.8 is to 5.5, it is coming 4.4. You all have to summarize summation. P0 Q0 means P0 is 0.8 and Q0 is 10. So it will be 8. 8.00. Okay. 0.85 into 8, it is coming 6.80. And 1.3 into 5, it is coming 6.5. Now P0 Q1 means 0.8 into 11. Okay, it is coming 8.8. 0.8 into 9, 0.85 into 9, it is coming P0, P1, it is coming 7.65. Next, it's 1.3 into 5.5, it is coming 7.15. You all need to calculate the total. Now P1, Q0, it is P1 is 0.7, Q0 is 10, it is 7 obviously. 0.9 into 8, it is coming 7.2, and 0.8 into 5, it is 4. So if you make the total, it's 20.2, it's 21.3, it's 23.6, and it's 18.2. So less varies index number I01. In place of n, I am putting this summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. P1 Q0 is 18.2, P0 Q0 is 21.23 into 100. It is coming 1820 by 21.3. It is coming 85.44. Therefore, Pashes index number summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P1 summation of P0 Q1 into 100 is 20.2 by 23.6 into 100. 2020 by 23.6, 85.60. Okay, this is basically the previous day's homework which I solved with you. I hope it is clearly visible with you all. Now today my topic of discussion is basically simple average of price relative method. Means simple average price relative method, it's another formula we will be using. It is the average of a set price relative obtained by expressing the given period prices as percentage of the corresponding prices of the base. Now I'm rubbing this part, I'm talking about the topic of today, which is simple average of price relative and weighted average of price relative. So you will be getting in the notes, don't need to worry for that. Simple average price relative is basically the formula we will be using. I0n is equal to summation of Pn by P0 whole divided by n into 100 and weighted average price relative method basically I0n is equal to summation of Pn by P0 into W as weight is there divided by summation of W into 100. Here in general the weights are value weights. You have to keep in mind. The weights are basically the value weights which you have to keep in mind. Now coming to the sum which we will be doing is basically give the following data, compute price index number for the year 2014 using simple average and number 2 weighted average of price relatives. So simple average and weighted average of price relatives I have to do it. Now see, items is given 2002's price is the base price and the current price is 2014's price, and the items are the rice, wheat, pulse and fish, and weights has been given. So I have to compute. How will I compute? Okay, using these two formulas. See, I have to prepare price relatives. I am doing the sum. It is sum number 7. I am doing it. Sum number 7. Okay. I hope it is clearly visible with you all. Calculation of price relatives. Calculation of price relatives. Both the formula will be using over here. Items has been given. P0 is the base year price. Pn is the current year price. W is the weight. First will be Pn by P0, and there will be again another part Pn by P0 into W. As for weights, this formula is applicable and this is applicable for simple. So rice, wheat, pulse, pulse and fish. Rice is given 180, 140, 140, 480, 40. And current price is given 200, 170, 500 and 16. Weight has been given. You have to compute weight total as summation of W is required in case of weighted average price 11, 5, 4, 1. So 16, 21. This is 21 total. Summation of W is equal to 22. Now Pn by P0 means 200 by 180 is coming 1.111. 170 by 140 is coming 1.214. 500 by 480 it is coming 1.042. And 16 by 14 it is coming 1.150. Now you have to compute because Pn by P0 summation is required, right? So it is coming 4.509, and this multiplied by weight means 1.111 into 11 is coming 12.221. 1.214 into weight 5, it is coming 6.070. 1.402 into 4, which is the weight, it is coming 4.168. And 1 into 1.142, it is obviously 1.12. Here also, summation Pn by P0 into W is required. You have to make the total, which is 23.601. Now, therefore, using the formula which we'll be using over here is basically simple average price relative method, simple average price relative index number. The formula which we will be using, summation Pn by P0 into 100 by n, which is 4.509. N is number of items, which is 4 into 100. It is coming 450.9. 450.9 by 4. It is coming 112.7. I hope it is visible. Which is 450.9. 450.9. This is point. Okay. This is point. 450.9 by 4. It is coming 112.7. Now for weighted average price relative index number, Pn P0 into W by summation W into 100, right? 23.601 by 21 into 100, it is coming 2360.1 by 21, which is 112.4. Okay, this is basically both the formulas we uses in price relatives. I will be providing you another sum for your homework, which is also easier part. Only one thing you have to keep in mind: the units has been given in kg or gram, which you do not need to bother about. P0 is given, the price in the homework portion, and Pn is given, and value of output rupees, which is basically the weight. Value of output rupees is basically the weight, and only you have to do this part, Pn by P0 into 100, or you can do it Pn by P0 like that, and after that you can multiply it, and the next part will be that into weight. After that you can multiply. But I will be doing, you can multiply with 100, you will get that value total, and if you don't multiply with 100, you will get this value. But sum you have to do it in your homework. That is sum number 8. In the next class, I will be talking about the chain base index number of a year, or chain base method of construction of index number. Only the gist formula I will be discussing, and I will be doing with you 2 sums of it. Thank you for the class. Have a nice day.